Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Today we're going to recheck and solve the chapter number 2. From this, there is lesson number 4, that is about traits and heredity. So please open your workbook. Here I have page number 46. So everybody, you can see your workbook page number 46. Please tally your answers, match them. If there is something wrong, make it correct now. So I just mentioned here page 46. So let's start to see the first question here. That is first blank. This one is written over here. Number 1. The passing of traits from one generation to the next is called. You know very well this thing. So let's see the answer. Heredity. Very nice. Good. Okay, now next move to the second one. And don't forget to see the spellings, okay? The second option is here, traits that offspring receive from their parents are dash traits, inherited. Only you increase one word here in heredity. Okay, now let's go to the third one. A way of affecting or behaving with which an animal is born is called. Yes. So the correct option is here, instinct. Number 4, from your workbook page number 46, a behavior that developed during an animal's lifetime is A or N dash behavior. So again, it's super easy for you. Learned behaviors. Number 5, when duck hay, they learn to recognize and follow their mother, a behavior called, very nice. This one we name as imprinting. Now number 6 on the same page. Mendel discovered that each inherited trait is controlled by dash factor, one from each parent. So how many factors? 2 factors. Number 7. Today scientists refer to Mendel's factor as, easiest one, this one, genes. Genes are found in the nucleus of the cell. They are stored on chromosomes. Second last, on page number 46, a trait that masks another trait is called dash dominant. DOMINANT. Okay, the next one on your workbook, number 10, blank. A trait that is masked is called dash trait. Recessive trait. Now let's move to the next page. That is your workbook page number 47. So first I mention here page number. This is your text page number 47. Okay. In pea plants, purple color are a dominant trait and the white flower are a recessive trait. The purple traits is represented by dash and the white trait by small p. So you know very well here if two traits, so the two factor is one is recessive but the second one is the dominant. So we write here capital P. Now number 12, a chart used to trace the history of traits in a family is called a or an dash chart. So it is very easy. Pedigree chart, you know very well about this one. Pedigree. Okay, number 13. On a pedigree chart, horizontal lines connects parents and vertical lines connect parents to, yes, so the offspring, or you can say that the next generation, but the correct one is offspring. Number 14, males are represented by squares and dash are represented by circles. So what will be the best one here? You know very well about the pedigree chart. Yes, female. Number 15. Let's move over this one. Shaded shapes represent individuals with a particular dash, particular trait. Now, the second last, because last one is a critical thinking, that's for you as a homework. So you need to do it well. I just mentioned here homework. Now, let's see the number 16. What I'm going to ask you here, dimples are a dominant trait represented by a letter capital D. A child who's carrier of the recessive trait is represented by, if it is carrier, then it will be like this. Okay, now let's move to the next page from your workbook. That is page number 48. So first I'm going to mention here page number. It's 40. So a dash trait is an offspring received from a parent. So the correct one is here. Better we use And let instead of this, I'm going to okay. Here I'm going to use my vacuum to show you all the answers once. Okay, so it will help you to find out the correct one. So the number one is, it's going to tell you, that is E. What's meaning over here E? Okay, E represent you here, that is inherited. Number two, the passing down of traits from one generation to the next. You can write here the letter D. D represent here heredity. Number three, behavior that is inherited. The correct option is here F. F represent you here instinct. Number four, a trait that masks an other trait. That is your number four. For this one, you can write here B, and B for dominant trait. Number five, a trait that is masked or covered by another trait. Number five, the correct one is here H. H meaning here recessive. Number six, chart used to trace the history of traits in a family. Very easy, that is pedigree. So the G is the correct one. Number seven, dash contain the chemical instruction for an inherited trait. So that is C. What's C here? Gene. The last one on your workbook page number 8 is individual who has inherited a gene for a trait but does not show the trait physically. You know, only a one is remaining, and that is your number A, that is as a carrier. Okay, my dear students, hope everybody done it well. So now let's see the next page, that is your workbook page number 49. So let's move on your workbook page number 49. We're just going to see only the answers here with the help of this. So first I mentioned this one here, that is your workbook page number 49. Okay, so the first blank, that the correct answer is here trait. Second one, here you need to write the correct answer is heredity. Third one, on your workbook page number 49, instant. The next one after this, the name of an Australian mob, you know very well, that is uh, sorry, this GRE. MENDEL. Don't forget to write the first letter of the name capital. Okay, so that's the reason. Discover traits. Okay, today Mendel factors are called, what we call them? Yes, very nice, excellent. These are called genes. They are stored on the, you know very well, inside the nucleus, what we so, chromosomes. Yes, my dear. chromosomes. The second last blank on your workbook page 49, this one, sperm cells. Sperm cells. And the last is again this what we name, that is super easy. Pedigree. Okay, my dear student, after that we are going to solve the workbook page number 52. Here we have only circle the correct one, so this one is your page number 52. The correct answer, we are going to circle this one. So this here, the big circle, small one we can use. We can make a circle with the help of this. Yeah. Okay. The first one, sponges. Number A. Number 2, that is strawberries. This one, C. Number 5, that is again C. Okay, so we can use with the help of this. Just a minute, I can use this, it will help a lot. Yeah, it will more better. First is A, sponges. Second, number 2 is C. Just this. Yes, okay. Now number 3, the correct one again, C. Number 4, D. And number 5, as I told you, C. Number 6, again C. Number 7, A. Number 8, that is your D. Now, page number 53 over here, I just mentioned, so you don't forget. Just a minute, that is your 53. Here you have question number 9. So the best option is here, B. Now number 10, that is C. Number 11, again D. Number 12, A. Number 13, the correct one is B. 14, correct answer is here B. 15, again B. Maybe you surprised, but these are the correct answers. Number 16. Again B. And now you think that the last one is again B? Yes, your thinking is correct. So this is all about today's lesson, and the answer sheet will with you. Thank you very much.